How to recover lost Brawl Stars account. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to recover the account that you have lost the access to, first of all open any of your browser and type in contact Brawl Stars. Tap on the first link provided by Supercell and then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Under information, click on accounts and go to recover your account. Once you tap on it, you have two options. Either access it through the player tag or get access to your lost account. Tap on the one which you prefer and you'll be given a series of steps that you need to follow. Make sure you carefully follow each of the steps and you should be able to recover your account. This is all for today's video. In case of any question, do not forget to mention on the comment section. Thank you and keep watching.